In this video, I'm going to show you practically how you can claim your Haven1 airdrop. Yesterday in this channel, I dropped a video on how you can verify how to check your eligibility. So if you have checked and you know that you are eligible for the airdrop claim, then you can watch this video to the end to know how you can claim your airdrop. First, you have to go to, in your MetaMask, the browser section. Then once this page loads, still the same address that we used for our airdrop check, that is what we are going to type on the search bar. This is it, portal.haven1.org. all right, so once you come over to this page, if your wallet is not connected, you are going to see a connect wallet button here or somewhere here. You just click on it to connect your wallet to the site. All right, now here you'll be requested to switch to network because Haven1 has its own blockchain. It has its own network. All right, but before you do that, you come over to where we have watch video. You click on the watch video button to watch the video that will play once you click on that button, because here it says for you to claim your airdrop, you have to complete the video. This is the instruction. Okay, so go ahead now and hit on watch the video, then you watch the video to the end. So I am done watching this video. So right now I can click on the switch network. Let's see. It says unsupported network. Go ahead and click on switch network. Let us see. It says Haven1 now active. Okay, it is now active. So if you go back to your wallet section and check on this network, okay, you are going to see Haven1 displayed here, and that shows that you are in the right network. As you can see, the Haven1 has automatically added. All right, so you go back to that the browser section to continue the process. Go ahead and hit on the continue button. Please make sure that your wallet is connected. As you can see, mine has been connected, and that is why the wallet address is displayed here. So click on the continue button to proceed. Then here you'll be given the list of, or you'll be shown the total amounts of the airdrop that you have. On the screen here is mine. Okay, this is it. This is it. So just scroll down to the last part of the page where we have the the blue claim button. Then go ahead and hit on claim. All right. So what I'll be getting is, this is what I'll be getting. I'll be getting 166 H1 and ESH1 reward. Okay. So go ahead and hit on the confirm claim button. Hit on the confirm button. Then you also give it some seconds. It says the transaction has been submitted, so just be patient. Now it says the claim has been successful. All right, you can click off this page by just hitting on this X button. Just exit this page. So you have successfully claimed your Haven1. Now if you go back to the wallet section, that is here, you are going to see the Haven1 displayed. Now this is the total amount that I just claimed. I've claimed 166. So in your own case, the balance, the amount that you claim, will be displayed in your wallet. All right, so that is the first step. Now secondly, you will need to do what we call bridging. Okay, actually the Haven1 is a layer 1 blockchain. They have their own blockchain, but if you want to send this token to your Kucoin, which is where the token has already been listed, or the coin has already been listed, so to say, then you will have to bridge it. Okay, and in that case, you will come over to this section. Just click on this menu icon. All right, then you are going to see H bridge, which is this. So go ahead and click on it. All right, click on it, then allow it to process. Then here under the bridge section, all right, you are going to tap on the select. Okay, select, so that we bridge the token that we have claimed to Ethereum network. Now when you click on it, you select Haven1 mainnet. All right, now once you do this, you are going to see that amount that you have claimed displayed. Okay, so once we wrap this, it is going to be converted to what we call the wrapped HI. Okay, so just select the H1, then come over to this button, just tap on max. Okay, so that we convert everything, we wrap the total amount that has been given to us. Now the total amount has displayed here. So you scroll up a bit, scroll up, then you see the wrap button. This is the wrap button. Click on it, then you give it some seconds. Go ahead and hit on the confirm button. Okay, it says the transaction has been submitted, so just give it some seconds. Okay, now it says the transaction has been completed. Okay, so you can refresh the page by clicking on the menu icon, then hit on the dashboard. All right, now we are done with the wrapping. Okay, so what next we are going to do is we are going to bridge. Now, why are we going to bridge? We are bridging because in Kucoin, the H1 listed there, I've mentioned that before, the H1 listed there is under Ethereum blockchain. So we cannot bridge directly from Haven1 blockchain to Ethereum blockchain unless we first of all wrap the Haven1, then from the wrap we now bridge to Ethereum blockchain. All right, now what we do now is we go back to that menu section, then we select the H bridge, which is this. Just take your time. Okay, take your time to do this. Then you go ahead and hit on the select icon. Then here you are going to select Haven1. Okay, so once you click on Haven1, the what you have will be displayed here, but it will be under the WH1 because we have wrapped it from H1 to WH1. All right, so select the WH1. Then where we have the send to, go ahead and tap on this button, the select button. All right, then you click the chain. This is the blockchain now we want to bridge to. Okay, so go ahead and click on Ethereum. Then you select H1. Go ahead and select H1. Okay, so now what we are actually trying to do now is we are trying to bridge now this WH1 to the normal H1 under Ethereum blockchain. As you can see, it is now here it is in Haven1 mainnet. So our intention is to bridge to Ethereum. So scroll up and okay, first of all you have to choose the amount. Just go ahead and hit on the max button so that we bridge all of them. Go ahead and click on the confirm button, then select the approve button again, then give it some seconds. Let's see what we have there. Then you click on next, click on approve, then you hold on, just give it some seconds. Then here we have the confirm button. Go ahead and hit on confirm, then you exercise a little patience. Go ahead and hit on confirm again. You don't have to rush this process, so you just have to take it gradually, one after the other. All right, now here we have already initiated the transfer on Haven1 mainnet. As you can see, it is completed. Now we have also done the confirmation on Haven1 mainnet, so it has been completed. Now the last which is remaining now is the transfer to Ethereum. It is in progress. Now this is where you will have to exercise really patience with these with the team, because the transfer to Ethereum process is not something that can be done quickly. It will take hours. Okay, it will take hours before the bridging completes. Okay, now if you click on the close button and you come over to this section where we have the history. Okay, now when you click on the history, you are going to see what we have bridged, the amounts that we have bridged, and as you can see, it is still pending. Okay, so we do not just have to do anything, and in fact there is nothing we can do about it. We just have to be patient, and once they are done with the bridging, it will be reflected in our wallet. Now pay attention, there is something else that you need to do. Come over to the wallet section, your MetaMask wallet section. Now here we still have the Haven1 mainnet blockchain still active. Now the H1, the Haven1 that we have just bridged, once they release it on the Ethereum blockchain, it is not going to display here because this is the Haven1 mainnet blockchain. The network is Haven1. Okay, go ahead and click on this section. Then the list of the various networks in this app is going to be displayed. So you go ahead and hit on Ethereum mainnet. Then once you select Ethereum mainnet, just click on got it. okay, allow, okay, then once that token that we have breached, once that coin is successfully breached, then it is going to be displayed here. All right, and even once it is released, you may not see it in your wallet. Yes, you won't see it unless you add using the contract address, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me get the contract address of the Haven1 under Ethereum blockchain. I have copied the contract address. Do not worry, I'm going to drop the contract address in the description of this video, and also I'm going to pin it at the comment section. If you cannot copy it, okay, if you cannot copy it, then you join my WhatsApp channel. I'm going to leave the contract address in my WhatsApp channel, so you click on it and you copy it there. But I think you can copy it from this YouTube. Okay, so go ahead and hit on import token. Let us import the Haven1. So click on it, just this button. Then hold on, I think the network is disturbing. Okay, come over and click on the custom token. Then here you are going to paste the contract address, then tap at the empty space. Okay, now it is going to be displayed. All right, this is the information, so go ahead and hit on the next button. Now click on the import button, which is this very one. Then the Haven1 will be imported. As you can see, it has reflected here. So once they are done with the bridging, then it is going to be displayed in this wallet under the Ethereum blockchain. So from here now, you can now send to your Kucoin. Okay, so for you to transfer it to your Kucoin, for you to maybe to trade it, if you want to sell it, then you go over to your Kucoin app, then you click on the deposit section. Okay, this is the deposit. When you tap on the deposit, using the search bar, you type H1, that is for Haven1, then it is going to be displayed. Then here you're going to see the deposit information. As you can see, the network is ERC20. Okay, so you just tap on it and then you click on got it. All right, then you tap on the copy icon. All right, click on got it. Then if you want it to be in your funding wallet, you can leave it here. If you want trading wallet, you can leave it here. All right, you can select accordingly depending on how you want it. All right, so you go over to your MetaMask, click on Haven1. All right, then once it opens, go ahead and hit on the send button because we want to send to our Kucoin. Then here you are going to paste that address that you copied from your Kucoin. Okay, click on the next button, which is this. All right, click on the next button, and here you are going to impute the amount that you want to send. Okay, now once you are done imputing the amount, if you want to send all of them, you can just click use mask. After that, you go ahead and hit on the next button. When you click on the next button, another button is going to show you to approve. You just click on the approve button, and that is all. Your Haven1 token, your Haven1 coin will be sent to your Kucoin, and in that Kucoin you can now swap it to USDT and sell if you want to sell. So guys, this is how to claim your Haven1 airdrop, and also how you can transfer it to Kucoin. If you have any question, please, on this process, do well to drop your question in the comment section of this video. Feel free to join my WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel, where I'll be dropping daily updates about crypto projects and the various mining cryptos that we are participating in this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to give a like to this video. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon so that once I drop videos in this channel, you get notified. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in my next video.